All right, I just finished the next course for the computer science program, D480, software design and quality assurance. So I'm not gonna lie, this was by far and away one of my least favorite courses in the program. I did not enjoy it at all, even though it was fairly simple and straightforward. Uh, it was it was not a good experience. So yeah, quality assurance, it's a separate field. In tech, it's its own thing, and what QA does is they have software, they have these applications, these products, and they just try and break them. They try to mimic being the end user and just look for holes or bugs within the application before it's deployed and everything. Just make sure it's all good to go, so that by the time it gets to the end user, it's all straightened out. So this is a writing assignment. It's a performance assessment, and yeah, you just got two writing assignments, and you're given a scenario, and then you just answer a bunch of questions regarding that scenario. There's not too much to say. Again, it was pretty straightforward, but the main issue I had with this was just how repetitive it was. I felt like I was just answering the same question over and over, and it's a bug. Like the scenario is the software application has a bug, and you're pretty much just repeating what the bug is over and over, or at least that's what it felt like to me. But it's all good. We got through it. Again, not too much to say. I did not enjoy this course at all. It was just super monotonous, and there's not too much like thinking involved. Again, you're just answering the questions based on the scenario you're given in front of you. So this took me about honestly, you could really knock this out in one evening if you really like lock in, sit down, lock in, and really just grind. You could knock this out one evening, but I spread it out over. I think I took about one day just to read up on the course on Reddit, just to see what this is about, as well as look at the extra resources that are provided by WGU again, just to get a feel for the course. And then I took one day to do task one and one day to do task three. So I spread it out over 3 days. But really, honestly, you could get it done in one day if you really just lock in and just dive right in. And the evaluators have been pretty quick about the grading. So the grading turnaround time is supposed to be 3 days, but I've been getting my assignments back in two. So yeah, they've been pretty good about that. So overall difficulty, I'd probably rate this course about I'd give it about a 2 out of 10. Yeah, 2 out of 10 difficulty. Again, super straightforward, but for me, with the hardest part was just the monotony, just answering the same question over and over. So it was a different kind of difficult, I suppose. But I mean, that's all I really got about this class. Again, it's really not much to say about it. You just answer a bunch of questions about the scenario, and the scenario itself was pretty short. Like this company has a web application, it has this bug. What needs to happen for it to be fixed, pretty much. But yeah, that's it. That's all I gotta say about quality assurance. It made me wonder, like, man, maybe QA isn't for me, but I don't know, maybe it was just that assignment that was poorly designed. So that leaves me with the completion of QA, that leaves me with 4 assignments left in the entire curriculum, and these last four are all the four non-transferable unique courses to WGU. See, these last 4 courses are non-transferable at all. Like these have to be done at WGU, and that's data structures and algorithms too, AI optimization for computer scientists, advanced AI and machine learning, and then the capstone. So yeah, that's all I got left. But yeah, DSA 2, data structure and algorithms 2 is the next course I'll be tackling. So I'm looking forward to covering that here. It's a pretty solid project. And the two AI classes, they're fairly new, so there's not too much information out there regarding those two. So I'll look forward to making videos about those. And yeah, I mean AI is a big topic, so it'll be good to dive into those courses for sure. All these last four are all performance assessments. But that's all I got for QA as well as future plans. Yeah, talk soon.